Located in the Tuscany region of Italy, Florence is a captivating Italy destination that Mark Twain once described as a city of dreams. With its abundance of timeless art, rustic Tuscan cuisine, incredible boutique shopping, and mesmerizing views at every turn, the city of Florence is nothing short of spectacular. Known worldwide as the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence embodies the spirit of Italy's past and has managed to preserve it for nearly 700 years. Florence skillfully fuses the past with the present, creating a unique time capsule of ancient aesthetics housed within a hustling, bustling world of modern-day Italy. The city captures the hearts and imaginations of all who visit. From the ancient churches and stunning buildings that line the city streets to the priceless artistic masterpieces created by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Giotto housed within Florence's galleries, the city is bursting with art and culture. The most iconic and historical elements of the city are heavily concentrated into a small area, making Florence an ideal travel destination. Much of Florence's sightseeing can be done on foot since the majority of the city's prized sites are within walking distance. With a city as spellbinding and magical as Florence, it is no surprise that more than 15 million visitors are compelled to visit every year, and it is considered one of the world's most highly desired travel destinations.